you see that? Santa Claus is cleaning our sewer pipes. The white beard on this man is insane. Turn, sir, turn. It's huge. It's like Santa Claus beard length. It's insane. It's so crazy. He's making a liar out of me now. Where is he? There he is. Look at that beard. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Sweet Christmas. So I was gonna go through my Babies R Us gift bag that they gave me after we got done registering. Oh, look at that. I got some Huggy wipes. This is not like Christmas, you know. I haven't close. Oh, we got some A&D ointment for diaper rashes. You know, that's gonna apparently become very prominent. Oh, some nursing pads. A mom's guide to first year of milestones. Ooh, look at that. A $5. What is it? Save $5 on any total purchase of $25 or more. Woohoo! Yeah, the stuff that excites you now. Ooh, we got a whole coupon book kind of thing for Fisher Price. That's exciting. We got a magazine for baby. What is this? Yeah, look, American Baby. Yay! Excitement for that. We got our registry list and a checklist and a rewards card and all kinds of fun stuff. Who knows what that is? Yay! Oh, this is the book that we used to register. It has just stuff in it that you might put on all kinds of crap. And then there's this, which is boogie wipes. Great grape scent. You gotta be kidding me. Really? What's wrong with tissues? Okay. I got a lot to learn apparently. And then this is the cutest little thing. Look at this. It's a little baby onesie. Oh. Okay, everybody on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Aww. Yeah, I know. Look at that. It's adorable. Our baby will never fit in that. Never fit in that. And you present the coupon, get a coupon, 20% off our total Carter clothing purchase of $25 or more. Oh, yeah, because I don't even, I'm going to try to put the cat in that because I think it would be hilarious. But yeah, so that's what's in my bag from the registry. I was super excited. I didn't get to go through yesterday because I got home so late. So, yay, fun stuff, minus the boogie wipes. Ugh. Go for it. Oh, cat and packing peanuts. This isn't as eventful as I thought it was gonna be. Don't eat the peanut. He's got one. Okay, now go away. Go away. You're covered in peanuts. Stop. Don't eat the peanuts. Go away. He's got them on him. Come here, Tiger Bear. Let's get the peanuts off of you. Baxter in the onesie. Oh, he's so pissed. How's the onesie working out?
Is it comfy?
Is it comfy? We gotta test it out. Make sure the baby will like it. How is it working? How's it look? Is it working for you, Baxter? Oh, his little face. He's sliding. I can't. He's sliding. I'm so sorry. Okay, we'll take it off. Okay, we're gonna take it off. We're gonna take it off. So I'll get ready to go to bed. Had a fun night with dressing Baxter up in a onesie. Because hubby got a box full of packing peanuts. And that was also entertaining. And another box with chimney brush in it. Which the cats loved that box as well. But the highlight was Baxter in a onesie. Which I think he's still mad at. So, yep, and that's about it. Tomorrow's gonna be crappy. So, but it's gonna be Thursday. That's good. Week's going fast. So, okay, well, I hope everybody had a good day and hope everybody has a good night. And I will talk to you tomorrow.